All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for sharing the space with me. Today, I'm just going to be making me another salmon bowl. This is going to be kind of what I eat today. So here you're just going to see, to jump right in, I am going to rub the salmon with a little bit of avocado oil. I am going to be using Old Bay for seasoning today, which I had cut back on the Old Bay for a while, but I'm going to be using it today. And I'm also going to be using some Italian seasoning, and that's it. That is all I'm going to season the salmon with, because I'm going to be making some rosemary lemon pepper shrimp. So we are going to season both sides of our salmon, and we are just going to throw this in the air fryer. Now my air fryer have pre-settings on there for like fish and chicken. I am just going to do fish 2 times just to make sure my salmon is cooked thoroughly, but I am not going to flip the salmon over. I'm going to leave it on one side, so you guys will see. Okay, so while my salmon is cooking in the air fryer, I'm just going to heat up some oil so I can make my shrimp. I'm going to throw these shrimp in the pan, and then I am just going to start seasoning them with lemon pepper, garlic powder, parsley, red pepper, and then maybe a little bit of Italian seasoning. I haven't quite decided if I want to do that, but since I already used Italian seasoning for the salmon, I want to give like different flavors, so I'll see. So after I'm done seasoning everything, I am just going to kind of let the shrimp cook for 3 to 4 minutes on the first side, and then flip it over and add more seasonings. Just a little bit of lemon pepper again, red pepper flakes, and a little bit of garlic powder. We are just going to mix this all together, and then I am going to put a little tablespoon of butter in it. I am not going to put the rosemary in it until I want to almost take it out. That is just my choice, but you can cook it in it from the very beginning. Okay, so now that my shrimp and rosemary sauce is done, I am just going to place this in a glass bowl, and then I am going to heat up a bag of cauliflower rice and a bag of broccoli to get ready to set my bowl. Now what I do when I'm cooking salmon in the air fryer, I take it out halfway through and put like a little small tablespoon of butter on top, just so it can melt within the salmon and make it more juicy, give it more flavor. You don't have to do this because it's flavorful enough, but I like to do it. Alright you guys, so I want to cut in because I want to show you what I ordered from off of Amazon. I find during keto it is very important to have your snacks on hand, because if not, this will set you up to fail. So I just needed some more sweetener, which I always get the monk fruit sweetener. I love this because there's no aftertaste. I really love the taste and texture. And then I got these snacks, which is only 2 net carbs for each one. I ran out of these because I love them, but now I am good to go. Knowing that you're trying your hardest to do a diet, set yourself up so you can be successful in it. That means prepare yourself. Like, I am a snacker. I love snacks, but me having these high fiber, good protein snacks and low carb snacks really helps me to not snack as much. And I know, like, if I'm out, I know, like, well, I don't have to get that cookie because I have my snack in my bag, or I have my snack in my car. And it kind of makes you feel special because you're not eating like the same thing that everybody else is eating. You have your own little special thing going on. So it makes you feel good about yourself because you're doing something for yourself, and you're kind of taking care of yourself in all of the right aspects, versus you seeing a cookie or cupcake like, oh, I deserve this, I'm going to eat this. No, ma'am. Do not eat that cupcake. Do not eat that cookie. Find yourself some nice low net carb snacks, and Atkins has, in my opinion, Atkins has the best ones. All these have some good ones too, but I really love the Atkins bars because you can't tell a difference really between those and like a Snicker bar or a Twix or something like that. But anyway, let's get into this plating. I love putting a nori sheet when I am doing some type of seafood bowl. It just enhances the flavor by 10 times. I absolutely love it. So I have to put me a nori sheet in this dish. So you guys, this is what my bowl looks like. It is all done. I am just going to add a little bit of parsley for garnish to make it look pretty. And when I tell you, this bowl is so freaking filling and so good. If you're doing like OMAG, which is like eating 1 meal a day, this will fill you up the entire day. Today I probably just do 1 meal a day and just eat the 2 snacks and keep drinking. But here is a close up. I'm telling you, you can't tell me I'm not a chef out here. I need to be like on Top Chef or something for real. But anyway, you guys, this was my breakfast / lunch, and now we're moving along. So here is my first snack, you guys. I'm just going to have this caramel nut chew bar, which is only 2 net carbs. These are so good, and I'm just going to drink a full glass of water with it. All right, you guys, so here is my second snack, which is going to be a couple of these pork rinds. I love the barbecue flavor. I'm just going to eat a couple of these and then have a Coke Zero. Okay, you guys, so I am going to cook a second meal. This is a different day, but because I only ate that 1 meal that day, I didn't want to kind of leave you guys stranded. So I wanted to give you at least 2 meals. So here is a second meal. This is going to be garlic butter asparagus with some seasoned air fried chicken and spicy mustard garlic sauce on top. And I am going to be making some garlic butter cauliflower mash to go along with it. So let's finish out this video. So you are just going to season your chicken however you like to season it, and then I'll show you guys how to make the sauce. I'm just going to be cooking this chicken, of course, in the air fryer because that is like easy peasy. So you do want to be sure to mix your chicken well, and for this I just get right on in there with my hands. Alright, so now we are going to be making our sauce. So you are going to need mustard. We are going to put in some hot sauce to your discretion. I like my stuff a little bit spicy, so I add a little bit more than normal. We are going to put in a heaping tablespoon of garlic. We are going to add parsley to this. And then we are just going to mix really well. give it a taste test. So I felt like to tone down the tartness some, let's add a little bit paprika, because paprika give it like a slight sweet taste, and then that is it. I'm going to add Swerve brown sugar. Well, brown sweetener is not sugar. This is brown sweetener. I'm going to add that to kind of balance all of the tangy and spiciness. And for the base of your sauce, I'm going to be using sour cream, but you can also use mayo. Either one will work. All right, you guys, so here is what the cauliflower mashed look like. I get these bags from Aldi's, and you're supposed to put it in one bag in the pot with 4 tablespoons of water. I always put too much because I never measure, so it gets to be a little bit more thinner than I like it to be. So next time I make these, I'm just going to actually do the 4 tablespoons of water. I'm going to actually measure it and see if it still come out the same. They are good, but I like mine to be just a little bit thicker. I could have put almond flour in it to kind of thicken it up, but I chose not to. It was okay. I just know for the next go round, I'm just going to follow the 4 tablespoons. But this is what they turn out. This is what they look like. They look just like potatoes. They really, really do. Wait until I plate them and you can see it's just a little bit more thin, like I said, because I added too much water, but they were really good. And I just put garlic powder, parsley, and butter in them just to make them taste just like I would have regular potatoes. So it worked out good. All right, so now that everything is finally done, here is what it looks like. Just call me Chef Curry. That works for me. I got to find the Starlight Coca-Cola, 0 sugar. All right, let's see what it tastes like. Let's see the back. Look at that. 0 carbs, 0 calories. All right, so this tastes like kind of between cherry and cotton candy. First you get the cherry flavor and then it starts tasting like cotton candy. So it's a thumbs up for me. All right, y'all, last snack of the day. Nutty Fudge Brownie. Okay, you guys, so I am going to end the video here. As you saw, I gave you 2 meals for 2 days. The first day I just ate that 1 meal a day with the snacks, and then the second day I had the second meal with these same snacks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. Again, you guys, I thank you for joining me. I thank you for sharing the space with me, and as always, I thank you for watching.